So you've been digging deep into agentic AI, huh? Bet you've come across some seriously wild stuff.
Yeah, it's been a wild ride for sure.
We're talking about AI that's not just following orders, but like making its own decisions, strategic ones.
Right, not your average calculator.
This is like next level stuff, ready to really dive in.
Let's do it.
Now, from what I'm seeing in your research, you're really interested in how this agentic AI actually works, the nuts and bolts.
Definitely. Reading about AI that can diagnose diseases or beat grandmasters at chess is one thing.
Yeah.
But like actually understanding how it pulls that off, that's what really gets me going.
Totally. So let's unpack those mechanisms. One of your sources called Agentic AI, and I'm quoting here, AI systems that can act independently to achieve goals. That word independently, that's what really stuck out to me. It's like these AI systems have a mind of their own.
It's kind of like that, yeah. Imagine a traditional AI system. It's like your basic calculator. You put in instructions, it spits out the answer. But agentic AI, that's more like a chess player, you know?
Okay, I like where you're going with this.
You give it the goal, the objective, win the game. But the AI, it figures out the moves itself, the strategies, even learns from its opponent as it goes.
That is a brilliant analogy. So we're not just talking about processing information, but adapting, strategizing, making judgment calls based on situations that are always changing. That's a huge leap.
Huge, absolutely. And it's all down to some seriously impressive tech advancements. But before we go full-on geek, let's break down what makes agentic AI tick.
Okay, let's get technical. Lay those key characteristics on me.
All right, so your research points to 4 core characteristics of agentic AI. First up, autonomy. This means the AI operates independently, making decisions without needing a human to hold its hand every step of the way.
So it's like giving the AI the ship's wheel and saying, you got this, letting it navigate, adjust course, without calling the captain every 5 seconds.
Exactly. And that ties directly into the second characteristic, goal orientation. This means the AI is laser focused on achieving those goals, those objectives, even when those unexpected roadblocks pop up.
Okay, so not just blindly following a set path, but understanding the destination and figuring out how to get there, even if the route needs some improvisation.
You got it. Which brings us to our third characteristic, adaptability. Agentic AI, it doesn't just stick to a script. It learns from experience, adjusts its strategies on the fly. Like think of a seasoned investor. They're not just sticking to a plan they made years ago. They're rolling with the punches, responding to market shifts.
Always learning, evolving, getting smarter with each decision, which leads us to that final characteristic, learning.
Right. And we're not talking about just memorizing facts here. We're talking about agentic AI systems using this thing called machine learning. They use it to analyze information, recognize patterns, and make predictions based on those patterns.
Okay, time to put on those thinking caps for a sec. Could you unpack this machine learning thing a bit? Seems pretty essential to the whole agentic AI equation.
Absolutely. Machine learning at its heart is about teaching AI to learn from data without needing someone to program every single little detail.
Yeah. So it's like showing an AI a million pictures, some of cats, some of dogs, and letting it figure out what makes a Cooper and a Whiskers a Whiskers. So next time it sees a furry friend, it knows what's what.
Precisely. With enough data and feedback, the AI learns to recognize those patterns, and it gets better at making predictions or decisions.
Learning by doing, by analyzing, even by making mistakes, and then using those experiences to refine its approach. That's wild.
It's remarkable, for sure. It's the bedrock for a ton of agentic AI applications. But within machine learning, you've got different approaches. And one that's super relevant here is, well, it's called reinforcement learning.
Okay, let's dive into that a bit. What makes reinforcement learning so special in the world of agentic AI?
So imagine you're training a dog, right? You've got your system of rewards, treats, maybe a little no here and there to keep things in check.
Okay, so we're talking treats for good behavior, maybe a timeout for those not-so-good moments.
Exactly. With AI, those treats, they're data rewards for decisions that lead to the desired outcome. Like, say, you're teaching an AI to play a video game. It gets rewarded for actions that boost its score, penalized for moves that make it lose.
So it's trial and error, but like on fast forward, racking up those experience points with each attempt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
The AI learns which actions lead to those awesome outcomes. So whether it's winning a game, nailing a medical diagnosis, or making those smart financial moves, it becomes an expert at reaching its goal.
And I'm guessing this type of learning is like crucial for agentic AI, especially with its ability to work independently, adapt to whatever gets thrown its way.
Absolutely. Another super interesting aspect of agentic AI is the whole world of autonomous agents and multi-agent systems.
Okay, now I'm picturing like a team of AI agents, each with their own specialty, working together like a well-oiled machine.
Great visualization. An autonomous agent, it's basically an AI system that can operate on its own, make those judgment calls to achieve a specific goal. But when you've got multiple agents interacting, collaborating, that's when things get really mind-blowing.
So like the difference between a solo violinist and a full-blown orchestra, each musician is talented on their own, but together, magic.
Exactly. Think about a smart city, right? You could have AI agents controlling traffic flow, making sure we're using energy wisely, even coordinating emergency response. All these agents working in sync to make our cities better, more efficient, more livable.
That's incredible. It's like weaving this intricate web of AI intelligence, each thread contributing to something larger, more complex.
And for these AI agents to really thrive in the real world, they need a way to understand us, to talk to us, That's where natural language processing, NLP, steps in.
Yes, NLP. From my research, it seems like this is the key to bridging that gap between how we communicate and how AI processes information.
Exactly. NLP is all about giving computers the ability to understand, interpret, even generate human language.
So it's not just about understanding the words themselves, but the nuances, the context, the intention behind those words.
Exactly. It's tricky stuff, but we've made some serious progress. Think about how naturally you can chat with your virtual assistant or get your questions answered by those chatbots online. NLP in action.
It's like having a real-time translator, helping AI decode the complexities of human language, whether it's something you say, a text you type, even a complicated line of code.
And as NLP keeps evolving, we can expect those interactions between humans and AI to become even smoother, more intuitive.
Okay, so we've covered the learning, the teamwork, the communication. It's all coming together now. But let's switch gears a bit and talk about the real-world impact of agentic AI.
Sounds good to me. Based on what I've seen in the materials you shared, it seems you're particularly intrigued by how agentic AI is transforming the world of healthcare.
For sure. It's one thing to talk about AI playing games or directing traffic, but when you bring it to healthcare, where lives are at stake, that's when things get real, right? The potential for both positive and, well, not so positive outcomes is huge.
You hit the nail on the head. It's a field where we need to trade carefully, but the potential benefits are immense.
From my research, it seems like agentic AI is already making serious waves in a ton of different fields.
You're right. One area where we're seeing huge leaps is in AI-powered diagnostic tools.
So like having an AI analyze those medical images, helping doctors make those crucial, more accurate diagnoses.
Precisely. One article you shared talked about a study where an AI system actually outperformed human radiologists at spotting lung cancer in CT scans.
Wow, that's incredible. And potentially life-saving. Touching those cancers earlier could make all the difference. Are there other areas in healthcare where we're seeing agentic AI shine?
Oh, absolutely. Personalized medicine is another big one.
I've heard that term thrown around a lot lately. What's the gist?
Essentially, it's about using an individual's unique genetic makeup, their lifestyle, even environmental factors, to tailor medical treatments that are going to be most effective with fewer side effects.
So moving away from that one-size-fits-all approach to something more customized, more tailored to each patient, AI probably plays a big role in analyzing all that data, figuring out those personalized treatment paths.
You got it. Agentic AI can process tons of patient information, finding those hidden patterns and correlations that humans might miss.
Like having a whole army of medical researchers working round the clock, crunching numbers, uncovering those hidden secrets within our own biological blueprints.
It's groundbreaking stuff. And it goes beyond diagnosis and treatment. We're talking new drugs, new therapies, streamlined clinical trials, even personalized health recommendations. Agentic AI is shaking things up.
This is amazing. Feels like we're standing at the edge of a healthcare revolution, all thanks to the power of agentic AI.
We're definitely witnessing a huge shift in healthcare. But it's not just healthcare. Agentic AI is poised to transform so many other industries as well.
Okay, I'm ready to have my mind blown. What else is out there? Well, looking at all this research you've done, seems like finance is getting a serious AI makeover, am I right?
Yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing how it's changing the game.
We're talking high-frequency trading, risk assessment, even like personalized financial advice, all powered by AI.
It's wild.
It's like Wall Street went and got itself a turbocharged AI upgrade. What really jumped out at you in your research?
I came across this one study where an AI system consistently beat out human traders at predicting stock market moves.
Seriously, guess those algorithms don't need sleep or like meme breaks to make those calls, huh?
Huh.
What's the secret sauce? How are they so good?
It's all about the data. They can analyze mountains of it in real time, picking up on these subtle patterns, these trends that we humans, we miss them.
It's like an AI crystal ball, but instead of predicting the future, it's predicting which way the market's going to jump. Are there other industries where we're seeing this kind of impact, this level of change?
Oh, definitely. Transportation's another one that's being totally reshaped.
Okay, yeah, self-driving cars are all over the news, but I'm guessing agentic AI is doing more than just that behind the scenes.
Way more. Think traffic management, logistics, even public transportation. It's all being revolutionized.
Okay, now I'm picturing a city where the traffic lights, they know when things are about to get jammed. Self-driving buses rerouting on the fly, delivery drones zipping through the sky like something out of a sci-fi movie. But instead of flying cars, we've got intelligent systems making transportation smarter. What's really striking to you about all of this?
It's not just about making things faster or smoother or more efficient. It's really about changing the DNA of these industries, even creating totally new possibilities that we haven't even dreamt up yet.
It really is like opening this door to a whole new world of what's possible, and it's all powered by this incredible potential of agentic AI. But as we go deeper into this world, it makes you wonder, what about us? What's the human role in all of this?
The million-dollar question, right? As these AI systems become more and more capable, able to operate on their own, it becomes even more important for us to focus on what makes us human, those things AI can't replicate. Creativity, critical thinking, empathy, ethical decision-making.
So it's not about replacing us. It's about finding ways to work together, AI and humans, each playing to their strengths to create something truly amazing.
Exactly. Think of it as a collaboration. AI brings the raw power, the insights from all that data. And humans, we bring the guidance, the context, that moral compass.
It's like having an AI co-pilot helping us navigate the complexities of the world with way more precision. But at the end of the day, we're still the ones holding the maps, setting the course, making sure we reach our destination, not just efficiently, but ethically, responsibly.
Couldn't have said it better myself. The future of agentic AI, it's not set in stone. It's a future that we're building right here, right now, with every choice we make, every algorithm we write, every application we develop.
It's a future that's brimming with promise and potential, but it's also one that demands careful thought, ethical awareness. We have a responsibility to make sure these powerful technologies are used for good.
Well said. It's been great diving into all of this with you.
Likewise. And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of agentic AI. We hope this deep dive has left you feeling informed, maybe a little mind blown, and definitely inspired to keep exploring. Until next time, keep those questions coming and stay curious.